Oh, there's the doorbell. Just put my pie in the oven. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, you might know that I'm Dulcie's mom, and you said today we could go to the park, so I'm gonna take her there if that's okay with you. Yeah, I'll just go and get her. Julia. Yes, Mom. Why are we whispering? Your brothers. You've studied so hard. You can go to surgery. Yay, thank you. Hello. Can I go to the park with you if that's okay? Yeah, sure. Wow, you got the new butterfly outfit. That's amazing. Yeah, I got it for my birthday. You found it was on sale. That's so cool. Okay, do you want to go to the park now? Yeah, let's go. Why not? Oh wait, no, she forgot her umbrella. It said it was gonna rain today. Let me run after her. Oh, she's already gone. Never mind. Well, chances are that it won't rain today, so yeah. Well, here we are. This is the local park. I'll be on my way. Have fun. What do we do here? There's so many little kids here. Peekaboo! 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 Maybe try the slide. I'm too scared to calm me down. Let me go up. Hey, little girl, are you gonna go down or not? I'm too scared to go down. Yeah, there's nothing to do. She's hogging the slide. We can't go down it. Oh wow, your thing glows in the dark. That's so amazing. I know, right? It's so cool. So what do we do now? I don't know. Hey, do you want to go over the wall into the jungle? That sounds amazing. Let's go. You're so cool. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Here we are. This isn't scary. At least we have food. Oh wait, that might be poisonous. What do we do now? Oh look, there's food and stuff. And there's space noodles. Do you want to have some? I'm really hungry. Wait, someone must be living here. No, but at least we have some light. See?